Welcome. So let me quickly teach you how to explore Bats AI by Google. So to do that, just search the word bat.google.com. That's their website, and this is Bat AI. So let me quickly take you through everything that we actually have over here. Remember to get your Gmail account to be able to get access to this. So if you have your Gmail account, it will work 100%. So you register with your Gmail account. So after that, you will get access to BAT. I think I would advise you to use this BAT on Chrome browser. Don't use it on Bing because I think it will work more on their own platform itself. So the first thing over here, when I click on this nine dot, I think I have access to every other materials. Many other ones added. Okay, then my mail. Good. And the next one, this is where I can type enter prompts. That means I can ask a lot of questions. And this is if I want it to be audio based, that means as I'm talking, and with this bat will write on my behalf, I say everything out, and it write it out. Then the next one, this is for you to send out team style. Let's explore team style. I think the best team style is the dark mode. I won't lie to you. Explore dark mode. I think I prefer the dark mode. One of the advantage of this platform is that this platform is up to date. It uses the internet, not like ChatGPT. So that means that I can ask what's happened today in Nigeria. Okay, so let's see what exactly happened today in Nigeria. So I can ask everything about what happened today. So and the response is just boom immediately. So let's check. Atiku Abubakar, people use Democratic Party, this and that. I think this is almost everything that happened today. And the Independent National Electoral Commission, governorship election for the general we hold. Okay, which state is this? They announced that there are just five few top news headline in Nigeria. For example, the premium news, this and that. So I like this for the response of present response, and then I can regenerate. So this is where we have the regenerate button, where you regenerate the content. But just drop answer immediately, boom. I like that. And over here I can download as maybe as documents, or I download as Gmail message. So that maybe I want to send it as a Gmail message to people. Then I can Google this. So Google this. Let me click on Google it. So when I click on Google, it is bringing out news in Nigeria today. So that means that all the source are from this news in Nigeria today. So with this, I think it's not going to be bad at all. You will definitely like this. So let's look at over here, recent charts, bad activity, question and answer, update. Let's take the update. What do they really have? I think no much updates, and over here I can hide bad activity. I can hide all of the content. I think for now auto delete, I've deleted mine. You can tick auto delete. That is if you want your chat to delete like immediately and more. So this is basically how bat AI works by Google, and then I would like you to give it a try. Let's start from here and let's see other possibilities, as I would like you to watch the next video. So thank you very much. I'll be right back.